Hello and welcome back to the Demmer Ford YouTube channel. In this Tech Help video, I'm going to show you how to use the Waze navigation app with your Ford Sync 3. Waze is a great option for drivers that want the live traffic information posted right on their display but might not have the Ford navigation package on their vehicle. The setup is quick and easy as well. Once you have downloaded the Waze app on your smartphone, go to the app section on your Sync 3 system. Next, plug your phone into the USB port below the sync screen. Give the system a moment to communicate with your device and display the Waze tile in the Vehicle Apps page. Once it appears, click on it. The Sync 3 screen will now display Waiting for Device. At this point, you will need to open the Waze app on your smartphone and you will see this screen. Now you will see Waze displayed on your Sync 3 screen. The first time you use Waze on Sync 3, it may take a few minutes to load up. If nothing happens after a minute or two, try unplugging your phone from the USB port and plugging it back in. Please note that if you do leave the Waze app on your phone, it will prevent the navigation from being displayed on your vehicle screen. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps you set up your Waze navigation on your Ford Sync 3 vehicle. Please like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tech help videos. If you have additional questions or need more help, feel free to leave a comment below and I'd be more than happy to respond.